Hello, welcome to Chanel the Eclectic. If you want to see how I got this breast cancer awareness makeup look, stay tuned. Okay, so first I'm going to do my brows, and I'm going to start by applying some powder on my brows. Then I'm going to fill them in as usual. Now that my brows are done, I'm going to go in with my concealer under the brow. And I'm going to make sure that I blend this out. First, I'm going to put this shade over my whole lid. Now I'm going to go in with this pink here to highlight my brow bone. Now I'm going to go into this pink. And this is what it is looking like so far. Now I'm going to do a cut crease and put these two pinks on my lid. And to cut my crease, I'm going to use my NYX white eyeshadow base. Okay, so now that I have the crease cut, I'm just going to make sure that everything is smooth. And I'm going to start adding my pinks on top. So I'm going to put the lighter pink in the inner part here. I'm just packing this on. I hope y'all can see this. Alright, so this eye is done. Alright, so now I'm doing my eyeliner and my lash on this eye. And I'm using my Jet Black eyeliner by Mary Kay. And I'm going to bring the eyeliner all the way out like how I did over here. And the lash that I'm using is Passionate. So if you want to go order some of my lashes, make sure you check out my website. I'm going to apply some mascara. I'm going to use my lash tweezers and my favorite lash glue. And I do have videos of me applying my lashes, so make sure you go watch those or leave me a comment if you have any questions. Okay, now I'm going to clean up anything that is outside of that eyeliner, and I'm going to apply my Mary Kay bronze number 3 foundation all over my face. Then I'm going to highlight with the bronze number 1, and I'm going to do some more highlighting with this perfecting concealer. Okay, so I applied my foundation, and now I'm going to go in and set everything. So to set my highlight, I'm going to use this beige number 2 powder. And to press this in under my eye a little bit more, I'm going to get a smaller brush to do that. And I'm just going to press it in. And I'm going to go back with the big brush. Like that. Then I'm going to go into the bronze number 2 to set the rest of my face. And first I'm just going to pat it on there, and then I'm going to go buff it out. I'm going to go in with this brush here to highlight, do my blush, and do some contouring. And I'm doing a lot of highlighter and a lot of blush for this look, so be warned. And I'm using this blush. I'm mixing both colors, and that's the color that I'm using as my highlighting powder. Now I'm going to contour with my contour duo. And I'm just blending this up under all that blush and then up into the blush. And I'm going to bring it down under my jawline a little bit and on the sides of my nose. And I almost forgot that I need to highlight the center of my face. So let me do that. Okay, so I'm going to apply some mascara on my bottom lashes, and I'm going to fill in my brows with my brow powder, and then we're going to go on to the pink diamonds. Okay, so I went to my local Dollar Tree looking for the stickers of the breast cancer awareness ribbons that were already made, but of course I couldn't find those, so I picked these up instead. And I feel like this is basically the same thing, so I'm just going to use this and make this work.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to stick this one right where that one left off. And now I'm just going to keep adding them until I get my ribbon. And there you have it.
So this is my ribbon here, and I'm going to go in with my Actilabs liquid lipstick. And I'm going to pop some brown liner around this. And I'm going to pop some of that pink eyeshadow that I have on. I'm going to pop some of that on my lips. Okay, so I have some Duo lash glue that I'm going to use to keep this down. Because when I like raise my brows and stuff like that, it keeps moving. So I'm just going to take a little of this duo glue. And I'm just going to use that to keep it down. It does dry clear, so you can use this to put all kind of stuff on your face. But let me know what you all think of the look. And I'll see you guys in the next video.